I just woke up and stuff from a nap. That's why I look kind of weird. Yes, I do have pearls on. I just wanted to show you. I'm at my mom's. You can tell because of that. This new Bears thing. I'm like a big, humongous Bears fan. So my mom got me. Woo, go Bears! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Go Bears! Go Bears! Go Bears! Go Bears! Okay, well, that's all. So, bye. Comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up if you like this video.